So if you guys have seen the Netflix movie Bird Box, there's a world full of monsters and you can't look at the monsters. So their method of transportation is by driving in a vehicle that doesn't have any vision out the windows. So we've covered up the windows and we're gonna have our own little Bird Box challenge.
Hey Rosie, what are you doing? What are you doing? You're so big.
Later, Rosie. So I feel like I don't have to say this, but do not try this at home. So this is our dry run. We've got cones set up. The whole idea is you drive the K900 through them.
It's actually really impressive. You can do this without any vision out your windows. It's impressive until he's coming at me, and that's scary. And then this is the tricky part, the parallel park.
You get parked like that downtown?
Nice job.
So we've taken this K900, this very, very sweet K900, and we've covered up the windows. We're trying to see who can get the best time by driving the course, which we've got several cones set up and they're gonna weave in between them. And at the end of the course, they're gonna parallel park. The only thing that they can use is this 12-inch screen.
So I'll tell you when to start.
Can't even see the time.
This is weird. I haven't ridden in this yet.
Go. Make a wide turn. Get as hard to your left. You'll see me standing where you need to parallel park. Any better than that?
That's confusing.
Yeah, like, cause you can't really tell where to parallel park. Is that end?
Go to the left. Go in left.
It looks like it's in.
We're not done?
It looks like it's in. Am I supposed to go?
Go forward to the right. No.
What? That's cricket.
Oh, you nailed it. There it is.
What?
Nice job.
Parallel parking doesn't make sense.
You get sick in there?
Yes.
Next victim.
Package received.
You ready?
Ready.
Go. Hold up. Put the cone.
Ask him what time we're at.
What time are we at?
40 seconds. Focus on driving. Wide turn here. Yep. Start to head back to left. You'll see me ahead of you. You come forward. You got it.
Trickiest part.
Nope, you gotta do better now. You gotta look for all 4 cones in your hand. Now start coming back and turn in. There you go.
Yeah. Killing it.
Going back a little farther. Now turn forward.
Yeah.
Was that it?
I think so.
Yeah, you're good.
Nice. Killed it.
What was the time?
2:15, 35. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready, start. Hard left, hard left. Hard right, hard right. Look for all 4 cones on that smaller screen on your right. Okay, good. Timer stop.
Who's gonna do better?
Me.
Probably me.
Let's get it.
I'm ready.
Ready? Go, go.
That's this cone. Then there's this guy. Did I hit it? Oh, look at this. I'm seeing it.
I like your tactic.
Just go for it.
It'll make a wide right turn. And we'll come back around the cone.
And that's this cone.
It's a lot harder than it looks.
Stop, 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 stop. Back up. And go in between the cones. So back up. Now start to the left a little bit. To the left. Now you gotta go right. Okay. You want to put the car right where I am at. So pull forward and then back in. Now left again. In the 4 cones, then your camera on the right. That's where you need to put the car in the middle of. Straighten it up. Good.
Is that good? I took out that cone. Did I win?
Did well.
Thanks. I was a little hard though, I'm not gonna lie. It's way harder than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah. It's pretty dark in here.
I'm putting my seatbelt on because I'm gonna go fast.
Hit a cone. It's 5 seconds.
Does this have a sport mode? Drive mode, here we go. Sport mode.
Already?
Yeah.
Ready.
Oh, crap. Okay. Let's do this.
Go. 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 Ready? Go.
Ready.
Go. Turn, Phil. You missed the cone. You missed the cone. You're good. Keep going. You got a hard left to get to the next one.
How did I miss that cone?
You're a little crooked. Keep going back a little bit and then straighten it out. On the right side camera, you'll see all 4 cones. You're right in the middle. Okay, keep going back here. Keep going. There you go. Make it hard.
Nice.
Thanks.
Keep going. I'm where the sidewalk is, so you're straight, you're perpendicular to the road, you should be parallel to the road, if that makes sense. You come over, alright, straighten it out, you're good.
That is hard.
You're not parallel with the road, so turn, go to the right,
Wait, I'm not parallel to the road?
it's perpendicular to the road.
Is that good?
Where I'm at is the sidewalk, so you're like,
I'm confused. I'm like, I can't tell where is what.
You were good until the parallel parking.
okay, stop, turn to the right. Alright, you're good.
Nice.
Alright, last run of the day. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Go. Alright, when you come through here, take a wide left turn. Okay, not really close to the cones at all. Yep, keep going parallel park.
Yep.
Right where I'm at.
Got it. You're almost there.
Keep coming, alright, straighten it out. Back the other way. Good, fix it, then you're done.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice. Thank you. Good job. What was the time?
207. Is that the best one?
Nice.
Yeah.
What is required to complete this course in the fastest time?
Confidence and I don't know, just confidence.
Thank your coach.
Yeah, and my coach, and my coach.
What do you think of the technology and they're using those cameras?
Pretty good. Crazy how technology is so advanced now.
Yeah, it is. Look at this. You can't see out the windows and we're still able to navigate this course. That's pretty crazy.